Well, you press the button and you disappeared?
Yeah.
And now you're back?
Yeah.
Cool! Where did you go?
The zoo.
With the zoo.
What animals did you see? Camel.
Oh wow, a camel.
Camel, and you found this?
Wow.
Wow, guys. My
J.
Hi, welcome back. Look at your faces. What are you, Penelope?
A cat. And Bashy has and he's a dinosaur.
Show everybody your dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
Today we're gonna do a mystery button challenge.
With kitties and dinosaurs. Sweet.
Good job. So we're each gonna push a button and we're gonna see where it takes us. You guys excited?
See where it takes us.
Okay, so who's gonna go first? All right, Miss Penelope, which button are you gonna push? Are you sure? She's gone, guys! Where'd Penelope go?
I don't know. She's gone.
I hope she comes back.
You mix them up?
Where did Sebastian go? Where is he? He must be off on an adventure. Where did you go, Penelope?
To the zoo.
You went to the zoo? And look at Penelope got an LOL little sister.
And I saw penguins.
You saw penguins at the zoo?
I don't know what Bashy saw.
Man, I hope he comes home soon. You press the button and you disappeared?
Yeah.
And now you're back?
Yeah.
Cool. Where did you go?
The zoo.
With the zoo.
The zoo.
What animals did you see? Camel.
Oh wow, a camel.
Camel. And you found this?
Wow.
Wow, guys, found a Ryan's World Blue Mini Egg. Cool. Here you go, buddy. Okay, Dad, so it's your turn. Which button are you gonna... You're not going? You're afraid of the... Oh, I guess he's gone. Hopefully he's not at the shower again.
Daddy is not screaming. Daddy.
Yeah, he's not screaming. I don't hear him screaming, guys. Hopefully he's having fun.
Whoa! Red Panda! Whoa! Cutie tooties!
Daddy's back!
I saw dragons!
You saw dragons?
Nope.
Oh, that would have been really cool.
I saw a red panda just like on Penn's shirt. Red panda.
Whoa,
That's
how
my favorite
cool.
animal. And
You got a toy!
I got poop privacy toys.
Cool.
Cutie tooties.
Wave 2.
Wave 2, people. Wave 2. Wave 2. Wave 2. Wave 2.
Your dad's crazy.
Okay, your turn.
Alright guys, it's my turn. I guess the only one that hasn't been pushed is the green.
Don't push the green one.
Just do it.
She's gone!
Nanny's down.
Where'd she go?
It's so big! Wow, look at the giraffe. Wow, look over there.
Wow, where'd she go? I'm guessing she went back to the zoo. I'm thinking tiger, lion, elephant. What do you think, Pen?
Maybe anything.
I'm back!
Yay! What'd you get?
Yay! I got My Little Pony! And
What'd you see?
I saw giraffes!
Wow.
They were so tall! Hey guys, let us know in the comments, what is your favorite animal to see at the zoo?
Red panda.
My favorite animal is giraffes.
Mine's giraffes too.
What's your favorite animal? Dinosaur.
Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs!
Growl.
Penguin.
You like the penguins too?
I love all of them.
Yes.
Just like on
they're
your
all
shirt,
really
Bash.
awesome.
Penguins.
And just like on my shirt, I got
Red panda.
Wow, today was such a fun day!
and Pinkie Pie too.
We were transported to the zoo. How awesome! Alright guys, let's say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, give big thumbs up. That's a wow. Catch up the side, Mike. And rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Whoa!
That smells bad.
Some jiggle.
So cool, man. Wow.
Wow, you look so cool, buddy. Some more green.
Nope. I think he's so shit. Be careful.
What color spots do you want for your dinosaur? White spots?
This is so cool.
Alright, stay still for me. Wow.
Wow, this is fancy. This is so cool. I love it.
Almost done. Wow, Bashy. Stay still.
Wow,
You're all done.
wow. You like it? Wow, Bashy and a dinosaur.
Maybe a picture?
You're kidding. Is that cool? Everywhere. Want to take another picture?
Can we do that, like, the arms? Can we do the arm one?
That's all I
What do you think? You like it?
do. Dinosaur.
Alright. That's
Cool.
so cool! Dinosaur, ride! She's gone, guys!
Wow.
Where'd she go? Where'd she go?
She's right there.
Look at me.
It's so big.
Too big!
Whoa, Penelope, you got an LOL little sister. Yes, you can't push the buttons because you disappear when you push the button.
Alright, let me daddy hold you. Wow, where did she go? I'm guessing she went back to the zoo. What do you guys think she saw? Maybe an elephant?
I think she saw.
She's right there. Let's get your brother back in here.
Oh, okay,
There he
let me
is.